too many to name. My city's alive.
Tiny style, what it packs.
When I'm speaking, Long Beach is breathing. You can put your ear to the concrete and hear my heart beating beneath the streets even as my every breath deepens. You're standing on my chest, that's the reason. The sidewalk underneath your feet is even. You feel them east side winds breezing, the broken stoplights flashing, that's my pulse beeping. I'm a ghost creeping, and it's no sleeping, no blinking. My eyes know I won't even. The city's alive in the cold season. The temperature drops when the thoughts I'm thinking are below freezing. On pneumonia, the whole region ain't hard. So you thinking of leaving, but nothing can safeguard you from me. I can reach you as soon as I take charge of the weak while they sinking deep in they dreams. Then I wake them and make them a brave heart. See, I chew and I swallow the deceased, cause my stomach's a graveyard. I eat when people are beefing, thank God. You don't live in my city, I mean live in my body, cause I am Long Beach, plus spitting's my hobby. Super sick skills, got me sitting on big wheels. Nigga click still, the villains willing to mix grills. Never switch reels, shit's real in the field. Women and children that get killed when we ill, nigga, big deal. I'm sending any to sleep when you send me the beef. It's war paint on my face like an Indian chief. I'm an identity thief, I'm only leaving my enemy's teeth for homicide to identify a hideous beast. It's ironic cause I hit him with the prettiest piece. The way I did him, don't ask me is he deceased. You niggas is me, I'm white tea, give me a crease. My city's the beach, I'm dumb flow, idiot speak. Strong arm, give me a